Welcome! If you want to connect AirPods Pro to your Samsung Galaxy S21, at the first you have to open notification bar, click and hold the Bluetooth icon. When we are in the Bluetooth settings, we have to open charging case of our AirPods. Then we have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking on the white color. So click and hold. It is blinking, it means that they are in the pairing mode, so we can simply click right here on the switcher. When they pops on the list, we have to tap on them, then accept here. And as you can see, right now our AirPods are connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!